Welcome to English Practice Every Day. Today we will learn the different meanings of the phrasal verb put away, and practice each meaning with simple sentences. After the practice, we will read out loud a short story using all the possible meanings of this phrasal verb to understand the various meanings in context. Let's start. Please speak out loud with me as we practice. Put away. Put away. First meaning of put away is to store something in its proper place or to return an item to where it belongs after use. Put away means to store something in its proper place or to return an item to where it belongs after use. Sue put away her shoes in the closet. Sue put away her shoes in the closet. Mark put away his books after studying. Mark put away his books after studying. Jean put away the dishes in the cupboard. Jean put away the dishes in the cupboard. Please put away your toys before bedtime. Please put away your toys before bedtime. Emma put away the groceries after shopping. Emma put away the groceries after shopping. Second meaning of put away is to save or set aside money for future use. Put away means to save or set aside money for future use. Leo put away extra cash in his piggy bank. Leo put away extra cash in his piggy bank. Tom put away some money for his vacation. Tom put away some money for his vacation. Nick put away enough savings to buy a new car. Nick put away enough savings to buy a new car. Mia puts away a portion of her salary every month. Mia puts away a portion of her salary every month. Ivy tries to put away a little money each month for emergencies. Ivy tries to put away a little money each month for emergencies. Third meaning of put away is to eat or drink a large amount of something. Put away means to eat or drink a large amount of something. James put away a big plate of pasta. James put away a big plate of pasta. Sophia put away 5 burgers in one sitting. Sophia put away 5 burgers in one sitting. Alex put away 2 liters of soda at the party. Alex put away 2 liters of soda at the party. Ryan can put away a whole pizza by himself. Ryan can put away a whole pizza by himself. Lucy put away 3 cups of coffee before noon. Lucy put away 3 cups of coffee before noon. Fourth meaning of put away is to imprison or confine someone, or to send someone to prison. Put away means to imprison or confine someone, or to send someone to prison. Michael was put away for robbery. Michael was put away for robbery. The judge put away the thief for 10 years. The judge put away the thief for 10 years. The police put away the gang leader for life. The police put away the gang leader for life. The court put away the criminal after the trial. The court put away the criminal after the trial. The detective worked hard to put away the fraudster. The detective worked hard to put away the fraudster. Fifth meaning of put away is to defeat an opponent easily in a competition or game. Put away means to defeat an opponent easily in a competition or game. Lily put away her opponent in just 2 sets. Lily put away her opponent in just 2 sets. Zach put away his challenger in the 3rd round. Zach put away his challenger in the 3rd round. The team put away their rivals with a 5-0 victory. The team put away their rivals with a 5-0 victory. Emily put away her competition in the final match. Emily put away her competition in the final match. The chess champion put away his rival in minutes. The chess champion put away his rival in minutes. Sixth meaning of put away is to stop using something for a period of time. Put away means to stop using something for a period of time. Joe put away his tools after fixing the car. Joe put away his tools after fixing the car. Daniel put away his books after the exam. Daniel put away his books after the exam. Beth put away her phone before going to bed. Beth put away her phone before going to bed. Lisa put away the decorations after the holiday. Lisa put away the decorations after the holiday. Ben put away his winter clothes for the summer. Ben put away his winter clothes for the summer. Seventh meaning of put away is to mentally or emotionally set something aside, or to stop thinking about or focusing on something. Put away means to mentally or emotionally set something aside, or to stop thinking about or focusing on something. Tim put away his sadness and smiled. Tim put away his sadness and smiled. Kate put away her doubts and took the job. Kate put away her doubts and took the job. Ava put away her fears and stepped on stage. Ava put away her fears and stepped on stage. Liam put away his anger and forgave his friend. Liam put away his anger and forgave his friend. Sam put away his disappointment and tried again. Sam put away his disappointment and tried again. That's the end of the practice session. Let's now read out loud a short story using all the meanings of put away in a proper context. Title of the story: The Day Everything Changed. Ben was a man of routine. Every morning he put away his breakfast dishes, packed his bag, and left for work. He worked at a local grocery store, stocking shelves and handling customers. He liked his job, but deep down he wanted more. He had always dreamed of opening his own bakery. For years, Ben had been putting away a portion of his salary every month. It wasn't easy. Bills, rent, and unexpected expenses made saving difficult. But he was determined. Slowly, his savings grew. He had finally put away enough to start his small bakery. Yet, something always held him back: fear. Last night, he sat staring at his business plan. He had worked on it for months, planning every detail. He knew what he had to do, but doubts crept into his mind. What if he failed? What if people didn't like his baked goods? But then he put away his doubts and reminded himself why he had started saving in the first place. If I don't try now, I will never, he told himself. At lunch, he met his best friend Leo at their favorite cafe. Leo, as usual, ordered a giant meal. He put away a whole pizza by himself and drank 2 sodas. Ben laughed. One day you'll have to pay me for all the food you eat. Leo grinned. When you open your bakery, I'll be your best customer. Ben took a deep breath. Actually, I've decided I'm going to do it. I'm going to open my bakery. Leo's eyes widened. That's amazing. I knew you would. They spent the next hour talking about Ben's plans. Leo encouraged him, and for the first time, Ben felt truly confident. Later that afternoon, Ben saw breaking news on the grocery store's TV. The police had finally put away a dangerous criminal who had been stealing from local businesses. The man had been robbing small shops for months, making many store owners nervous. Ben sighed in relief. At least now, starting a shop here will be safer, he thought. That evening, Ben went to watch a local tennis match. His younger sister, Lily, was playing in the finals. She was a talented player, fast and strong. Her opponent was tough, but Lily played aggressively. She put away her opponent in just 2 sets. The crowd cheered as she lifted the trophy. Ben felt inspired. His sister had followed her dream and worked hard to win. If she can do it, so can I, he thought. Back home, Ben started preparing for his big step. First, he put away his winter clothes in the attic. Spring was here, and he needed space for new things, including his dream. Then, he put away the decorations from his niece's birthday party last weekend. He looked around his small apartment. Soon he would be busy baking, selling, and running his own business. The thought excited him. Before bed, he sat with his notebook again. His hands trembled slightly as he read through his plan one last time. Doubts tried to creep back into his mind, but he refused to let them stay. He put away his fears and smiled. Tomorrow, a new chapter begins, he whispered to himself. With that, he turned off the lights and lay down, feeling lighter than he had in years. End of story. That's all for this phrasal verb session. Please keep practicing this phrasal verb put away with all its meanings until next time when we'll pick up another phrasal verb and master it. Bye for now.